Hey, Dewey McDonald here, Guaranty RV. I got a nice 2016 Solitude Grand Design. The model is a 369 rear living. It's an awesome looking unit. Let's go take a peek. Walk right into the kitchen area. It's got the great big 18 cubic Norcold refrigerator freezer. It's almost residential size, gas or electric. You've got nice countertop here, little wine rack, a lot of storage there. Storage there, storage below us. I mean, a lot of storage. And then you got your island. It actually has a built-in dishwasher right there. So in the island, you've got drawers and stuff underneath here. You got your big double sink, big sink, and then small sink, stainless steel. And then here you got your burner, 3-burner with the oven, stainless steel package, microwave. It's actually convection microwave. It comes as a fan hood. Here you got a nice pantry, lots of rooms, more storage. Wow, look at that, nice drawers pulling out, solid wood, good looking 2016 Solitude. So this won't last long. So it's got a big TV with the surround sound, fireplace. Up here's your stereo system right here, right there, DVD player, stereo controls hidden into the glass, residential type hinges. So you got your nice couch in the back, which makes into a hide-a-bed. More storage above us. Your day and night shades. Got a big window in the back. You know, it's got lots of windows here for see out. So LED lights. Here's your recliners on this side, so you're straight across from your TV. More storage there. LEDs, AC above us. So Corian countertops. You got your table and chairs. Up here you got your control for the fantastic fan. Here's all your control panel fuses right there. Water, sewer, and everything. Another little closet for hanging your coats. Then you got your nice big shower with a lot of storage in here. Put towels and stuff in there. Porcelain toilet. You got your big shower with the, you know, that you can sit on, but you got a lot of room in this shower. It's pretty cool. So you got your little glass bowl sink, and then more storage. Storage there. Storage is always a good thing. Drawers there. And then here's your bedroom, master bedroom. So you got a king size bed with the dresser across here. There's TV in front of us. All the vents up here, like I said, LEDs. So this has the washer dryer hookup inside here. If you want to hook up for a washer dryer, it goes inside here, but you got a nice big closet all the way across. Storage underneath the bed here. Padded ceiling. This has got a separate AC for the actually bedroom right here, so it's got 2 ACs. Got your aluminum steps going out with a nice big grab handle. So you got your awning above us here with LED strip. It's got the frameless windows that swing out, so they're real dark, so you can see out good, but you're tinted so you can't see in very good. So you got your storage bay here, goes all the way through with magnetic, so you don't have to hold it. But nice big storage bay. Look at that thing. Awesome. So solid, you hear that? Propane goes in there. You got more storage in the front. It's pre-wired for solar. Cap right there. So there's your bedroom slide right there. On this side, another propane tank. So on this side of your bay area, this has hydraulic auto leveling jacks. So they got it magnet going up. Inside here is your control panel right there for your auto leveling jacks, push button. They're hydraulic, which is awesome, so they're heavier duty than electric. And here's all your bays for your water, sewer, you know, so it's enclosed in there. It's kind of cool. You can lock it up. And then there's your power cord, goes out here. And a nice magnetic, see, slam door, power cord. And then big slide there from outside. So, like I said, frameless windows. So on the back, you got a ladder if you want to get up on top. It's actually pre-wired for backup camera. So if you had a wireless camera, you can do this. Pre-wired, looks like. So what a nice unit. So if you're looking for a nice rear living, used, so fairly new 16, which is pretty awesome, come see me, Dewey McDonald. I sell campers, toy haulers, trailers, you name it. Come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.